everyone. So today I'm going to show you my new soldering iron. I mean, this is not brand new. I already have it for about a month, but I wanted to just give you the impression how it feels like to open it for the first time. So this is the brand Fantic. I bought this in Germany. I'm not affiliated to them. I do not get paid by them in any way. I just wanted to give you my opinion about it and my experience so far. So let's unbox it. So now let's have a look at the soldering iron itself. The last part is to assemble the tips. So there are different tips you can use here. So it's shown where you can find the tips. So it's here. And there you go. So the tips, they are very fine. They're like 0.2 millimeters. So we're going to use this one here, which is my favorite. And you can charge right here. You can connect to the USB-C port cable that comes along with it. Anyways, I have already charged mine because like I said, I already used it. So as you can see, there is a big range of temperatures that you can use. And depending on your soldering wire, you might want to use a higher or lower temperature. I'm going to turn it on right now for usage so you can see how quick you have a feedback of how the temperature is. So basically, okay, it's still red, so it's getting hot. So I put it up to 250 degrees. So if we switch to 300 degrees, then it takes a little time. And in a few seconds, it's hot again. So you immediately see like how the temperature is. It's red and then it gets green. So basically I'm gonna turn it off right now. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with it. It heats up pretty quick. What I mostly like about it is how thin this tip is like super thin. So if you are working with Arduino or tiny pieces, I think this is a very good choice. I also like that this piece here is sturdy and is robust. So if you put your iron there, it's rather stable. And I really pay attention to that because I bought soldering irons in the past which did not have a holder or had a very, very weak one. And I was very surprised, to be honest, that they were so weak or so unstable, because this is, you know, it's a dangerous thing. If you might burn yourself, you might burn your table, whatever. So I really value the fact that this is sturdy enough. And yeah, I like the fact that you can set up the temperature in different choices. I cannot talk about how long this will last. I mean, I only have this one here since round about a month, and I haven't used this one a lot yet, but so far I had a good experience. I'm quite happy with mine. I would recommend it. Thanks for watching.